What's up, guys? This is Nick up here at Maple Motors in Hendersonville, Tennessee, and today we're going for a test drive in a 1970 El Camino. Small block 350 under the hood. Power steering, front disc brakes on this one. Pretty sweet little car. Just got done walking around it doing the outside inspection. You can check that video out. The last 30 seconds of this video, or just type in 1970 El Camino Maple Motors in the YouTube search bar. You'll find 2 videos of this car, and actually we do videos of every car. I'm gonna put my hood pins back in here. Definitely go to maplemotors.com. You can get financing information and also shipping. We can ship these cars all around the US. If you want to see videos like this every day, hit that subscribe button. I always post something new. We always get something new in. It's that time. Let's go for a ride. Before we take off, gonna look around the interior on this car. Hey, if you think the horn works, go ahead and make your bets. This one does need a headliner. Headliner's gone in here. Got a cloth seat, bench seat, 4-speed. Go ahead and start it up here. Let me try my e-brake. E-brake's not working on this one. Our gauges popping up. Gas gauge is showing full. Oil pressure showing about 50. Water has not came up yet. Should have by now. Try the radio out. Radio's not working. I couldn't get the blower motor to work in the walk around video. Of course, all it has is heat, no AC in this one. It's showing 82,000 miles on the dash. RPM gauge isn't coming up. Clock's not working. Wipers aren't working. Do you think the horn works on this one? I don't know. Nothing else was working, so it doesn't work either. Let's see how she runs and drives down the road. All right, I got my pant leg ventilation window open here. Letting some traffic flow by. I don't feel a seatbelt either. I don't think it's got a seatbelt on this side, so. Speedometer's not coming up either, so none of the gauge work on the dash there. We can get over into third here. That is 4th gear. I may have took off in 3rd. Let me try it again. Hit the reset button here. Shifter's a little bit sticky in this car. Let's go ahead and try reverse. We got reverse here. Come on over up to 1st. That's our 1st gear. We just need to learn how to drive it. We'll try it again. Let some of this traffic get by. Do it the safe way here. Oh yeah, much lower of a gear. And they're all there. Car's very low geared. I'd say about a 65, 70 mile an hour car here. Not much of a highway gear there. Steering wise, It's all right. There's a little bit of slack in it. Let's try our brakes. Brakes could be better. This one here is going to need a little bit of attention. A little TLC to get it just perfect. It is going into every gear. I just didn't do it right when I first took off. You get to see my mistakes. I'm gonna get some outside shots of this car. Drop by the camera, let you hear what it sounds like driving by. And we'll continue this test drive. To kind of use the curb over here as our e-brake. Slowly gotten used to driving this one. Didn't take very long. A lot better than when I first took off. See how low the gear ratio is on this car here. The suspension's fairly smooth on this one. Cruising, we're gonna hit this road up here on the right. Got a decent sized speed bump in it. It's good for testing suspensions in these old cars. Speed bump is right here in the middle of the road. So it's nice and smooth in this one. Don't look like our turn signals are working. So I noticed one thing. If I touch the brake, this turn signal light cuts on. So it may have something wired up iffy on the brakes and the turn signals. go ahead and pull back in the lot here. Finish up this ride. All right, guys, just got back from the test drive. If you don't mind, go ahead and hit up maplemotors.com to get financing options. We can also ship these cars all over the US. After you hit up our website, watch both videos describing this car in detail, give us a call, 615-822-4444. We'll be happy to talk with you. All right, guys, I do appreciate y'all watching. Thanks again.